Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video we talked about value types and embedding objects, and we checked this example worker with address object. So the idea was we have certain primitive types and one of the object or one of the attribute is of object type. So we checked that out how it works. Now the next scenario is, what if this worker has two addresses like this. Worker has ID, name, age, int. These are fine. But now next two fields, these are of address type, object type. So how Hibernate will handle them, this kind of scenario. So we have to check this thing in next video. So I hope the idea is clear. What if we have two types of similar objects? So but let's see what happens if we try to replicate the same. Let's say worker. Let's copy this and let me call this let's say I'm just redesigning it. Home address, let's call this home address, and let's call this office address, and accordingly we will generate getters address of address fields. Okay, so our class is ready with two embedded objects, office address and home address, and accordingly we have generated getters address. And on tester file, this from previous code, let's comment this out and let's create one more address for office. So let's call this, the first object will be of home address. Home address, changing it to home address, and this will become office address. So office address getting initialized. So let's change it to Mumbai, Maharashtra, and India. Okay, and here I have to set worker dot set office address. So office address goes there, and when we say worker dot set home address goes there. Let's format the code. Okay, so just added two fields now of embedded type, and here this type. So let's see what's the impact. So right click, run as an application. So Hibernate says repeated column in mapping for entity. Which column? City. I mean, just started with the city. That could be any field which says that you are trying to repeat your column. How come it's possible? Let's see in next video. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.